Hello and welcome to my channel, and today's video I'm testing something like this. This is the electric pump from CYCPLUS AL7, and in today's video I will compare this pump to the standard one which you get in your car. But trust me, even that one will be a little bit faster, even I don't know. So the first one definitely will be much better, and I will show you today why. I will compare the two pumps on the two tires, one the car tire and the second one will be the bike tire. Alright guys, let's start from unboxing. So that's the box, which looks, I will say, great. The name of the company and the name of the pump also on this side, and the website from this side. On the back, nothing here, but all necessary information you've got here. Oh, there you go, that's the weight of the pump, 1260 grams, and I will say this pump is much heavier than this one. And that one, no, I don't see any weight here. All right, anyway, let's open it. I forgot my tripod, so I need to manage like that. Okay, everything is nice and secure, I will say. Inside the box, that's your manual, user manual, with all necessary information. That's the pump itself. And first of all, as you can see, that pump is a little bit bigger, or much bigger, I will even say, compared to the factory one, the car one, or maybe like that. Definitely that one is lighter, that one is heavier, but don't worry about it. Definitely this one is much practical. Let's try to do something with that first. So first of all, as you can see, that's your handle, which is quite nicely designed, I will say. That's your air vents here. That's another one, and one more, so you got 3 air vents. That's the handle with the name of the company, which you can open on that way, and you will find the USB socket and the socket for the other charger. That's great. Let's turn on. So as you can see, you've got, that's your screen. At the top is 00. That's mean when I will just plug to any tire this pump, I will see exactly what's the pressure of the air inside the tire. So at the moment it's 0 because it's nothing plugged in. And below that you've got the PSI number, which you can change depend what you want to pump. For example, at the moment is a bicycle, as you can see. When you press that knob, which you can just adjust, you will see the scooter. Hopefully you can see that. Then you got the car, and you got the football ball, whatever. Okay, anyway, like I said before, you can adjust it. For example, PSI, the maximum for the ball or some toys will be 30. That's the max. For the bike, oh my goodness, it's 100. That's impossible. But also for scooter and also for a car. Okay, so in this one you don't have that many options. You need to just know what pressure you need in your car, and then you will just plug in and just go. Alright, so let's plug into the first to the car and then to the bike, and let's see which one will be faster. Okay, so as you can see, that is almost the same. Hopefully you can see that. I will try to do something with this wheel, the front one. At the moment is 35.5 psi, okay, and I will go down to maybe 20, and we will see how long it will take me go back to 35.5 psi. Okay, we've got almost 20. It's 19.9. Okay, it shows us 20.5 car, 35.5, let's say 36. Okay, let's try the second round. At the moment, hopefully you can see that it's a 20.3. It's not huge different. And let's see this one. So we are looking for, oh my goodness, 35. So it will be something like between 2 to the 40 on this one. Yeah, I will try my best. That will be something like a 2.3, sorry, 2.5 bar. And let's check the time with this pump. Okay, this one shows us completely different level. Let's start the timer. But now let's go to the bicycle. Alright guys, as you can see, that pump is completely different. It's much better than the standard one. This one is completely no sense. That's the old-fashioned, especially with that cable, which is quite long, and actually don't know what to do with that. That one is shaking all the time shaking like that. That's no sense. The CYCPLUS is completely different, works very stable. It's very handy because you don't need to worry about any cable. And I charged the pump 2 days ago, almost to full, and still got lots of power. I just used the pump for a bicycle, for a car twice, and still got lots of power, so you don't need to be worried about it. I wish to test the second one. They had also the small one only for the bike, and that could be the game changer also. But if they will be very kind and send me the second one, also I will test it for you. But at the moment, so please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, take care of yourself and your followers, and see you next time.